Today I got a package from Vinegar Syndrome. Uh, Once I saw these, I definitely had to get on them because these are the ones with the extra thick slip covers, which you can, well, it's exclusive to their website, but if you don't care about the slip covers, then you can just, get them from Amazon or whatever. But, once I saw the slip covers to them, I definitely had to pick it up. And at least they double protect them. This is the little mailer. I'm going to pause this and get this sucker open. Alright, I got that out. So, the first one we have here is Psycho Cop 2, or Psycho Cop Returns. I really dig this slip cover. That's the spine, and of course it's from Vinegar Syndrome. And there's the back. Yeah, I like these slip covers. I mean, a lot of companies can learn a thing or two from them. I mean, this sucker is extra thick. And there's the front of the Blu-ray case. And there's the spine. And then there's the back. So it is from 1992. It's 85 minutes, color, and it's all region. So anybody overseas can order this sucker without having to worry about an all region player if you don't have an all region player. Special features: newly scanned and restored in 2K from 35mm vault elements. Commentary track with director Adam Rifkin. Habeas Corpus, a 43-minute documentary on the making of Psycho Cop Returns, featuring brand new interviews with Adam Rifkin, director, Robert R. Schaefer, lead actor, Dan Povenmire, screenwriter, Peter Schink, editor, Miles Dougall, Rod Schweitzer, Nick Valonga, Barbara Niven, and Melanie Good. Go ahead and open this up. Alright, I took that off, and this is what the inside looks like. Psycho Cop 2. This is your DVD copy, and then this is the Blu-ray. So, that was my unboxing for Psycho Cop. And then, I got Double Exposure. I really dig this, and both of these are blind buys for me. And what got me interested in this, I saw a little clip that they had on there, and oh my god, it was so damn funny. This guy, he was taking pictures of this lady, and he was making her look inside this black bag, and there's like a snake in it, so he just shoves her head in it and ties the bag on her head. It had me laughing so hard. So I definitely wanted to check this out. And this is Double Exposure, of course, by Vinegar Syndrome. And that is your back. Let's see. Alright, and that's what your Blu-ray case looks like. That's the cover. And that is your spine. And that is the back. Modeling may be dangerous to your life. Special features: newly scanned and restored in 2K from 35mm original camera negative. Commentary track with director William Byron Hillman. Exposing Double Exposure, interview with cinematographer R. Michael Stringer. Staying on Task, interview with script supervisor Sally Stringer. Isolated score by composer Jack Goga. Original theatrical trailer, promotional still gallery, reversible cover artwork by Derek Gabrazak. English SDH subtitles. Oh yeah, let's see. From 1982, 95 minutes. And this one is also all region. And you get both a DVD and Blu-ray copy of the movie. Yeah, Vinegar Syndrome, they put out a lot of amazing stuff. And more people should definitely be supporting the smaller labels like Vinegar Syndrome, Mondo Macabro, and Severin. So I'll open this sucker up and I'll be back. Alright, I got it open. Let's take a look. So this is your DVD side. That is your Blu-ray. And you can reverse it. And that's your alternate artwork, which is your slipcover art. So that's pretty cool. I'm glad I finally got this in the mail. And I also like these cases. You know, they don't feel like the Echo type cases. So that was Double Exposure. And Psycho Cop Returns. And that's what this slipcover looks like. And there's your Blu-ray case. I can't wait to check these out. So I hope y'all enjoyed my unboxing of Vinegar Syndrome's Double Exposure and Psycho Cop Returns. And I believe Germany has the DVD of the first one, but I don't have the first one. So that is what I got. Y'all have a great one.